Hi, I'm Dr. Gracie. I'm currently working as a junior doctor in India. I did my lab path with Go Campus and recently cleared an interview in the Nottingham NHS Trust. I heard about Go Campus through social media, mainly through the YouTube. While I started preparing for the lab pathway, I just searched for some videos on the YouTube and came across this Go Campus. There were some plenty of videos in YouTube. At the same time, I had like good referral from some of my friends who were already in the Go Campus. Actually, Go Campus has helped in every step for my lab journey, starting from the preparation for the exam, like getting an attachment, like they will guide you in every step. And then after that, when you get shortlisted for an interview, they will guide you in preparing for the interview. We have a separate mock interview session as well. So in every step, GoCampus was really helpful. GoCampus was excellent in all the steps. I would say it has met all my expectations because like when I started the lab pathway, I was really confused. It took almost 2 years for me to complete this journey, clearing all the exams, getting the interview, shortlisting, and then clearing the interview and getting a job offer. So in throughout this journey, GoCampus was actually kind of guiding in every step, finding out the exact route to find out the job, exact attachment, to find out the results for every exam one and two. So it was kind of really helpful for a person like if you are a person something who doesn't have much time in investing in finding out the real pathway to find the plan. So it's like in that case, it's really helpful. You don't have to do anything; they will do everything. It's not like they will like guys spoon feed you. They'll be guiding you in every step. So you just have to put the effort that you need to do and prepare for the exam and write the exam. Every step has its own difficulty. Like first and foremost, finding the center for lab exam. Next, finding the exact the most important resource for the lab pathway. And then after that, like getting an attachment is really difficult these days. Next, after the lab two, I would say getting shortlisted for interview is the it's kind of the most difficult pathway, but every pathway is difficult. But I would say getting an interview, shortlisting for an interview is the most difficult pathway. There are courses for interview preparation that was really helpful because, like for an IMG, we may not be exposed to those kind of experiences. We are not exposed to the interview, the preparations that you're supposed to do before an interview in the NHS. So that really helped me. The interview preparation courses and the mock interviews before the my exact interview was really helpful. Definitely, I will recommend GoCampus because, as I said earlier, like if you're a person who don't have much time in finding out, like googling everything, talking to your friends, and finding out everything, you can definitely invest in GoCampus. They'll be like guiding you in every step. It's convenient and easy. Not easy. You will always have someone to guide you in every step. It's not easy. You need to put your effort, but they will guide you like what to do, what not to do, at what time. They will guide you in the right time and right direction. Thank you.